But remember, after a bloodbath in precious metals, markets since late last week, Tuesday, saw a reversal with gold and silver surging once again. Gold gained more than 5% to back above $4,850 an ounce, while silver gained over 11% to back above $85 an ounce. The white metal is now up 20% from its low in just 12 hours. Remember, prior to 2025, there had been just a handful of brief instances in the silver market history where prices were above $40 per ounce. But on Friday, traders were shocked when the price of the precious metals dropped by that much in less than a day. Speculators in China have been pumping hot money into the metals market, and that has sent prices soaring for commodities like gold, silver, copper and tin, leaving traders all over the globe riveted to their screens for weeks. Then, in the span of a few hours, the upswing turned into a significant collapse in the commodities markets. And on Friday, silver fell 26%, which is a record, while gold fell 9%, which is its lowest day in almost a decade. Even before the unexpected surge beyond $14,500 per ton petered out, copper dealers were in a state of disarray. Dominic Sperzel, the head of trading at Harius Precious Metals, said, and I quote, "In my career, it's definitely the wildest that I have seen. Gold is a symbol of stability, but such a move is not a symbol of stability." And after another heavy sell-off during Asian hours on Monday, the plunge in precious metals eased a bit. Gold fell by about 4% after tumbling 10% earlier in the day. But gold still extended its biggest slump in more than a decade on Friday last. Silver dipped by more than 7% after sliding 16% earlier and posting a record intraday drop on Friday. Remember, precious metals had risen to record highs that shocked even seasoned traders. A Bloomberg report quoting sources had showed that Chinese metals traders raked up losses totaling at least 1 billion yuan or $144 million. This comes after one of their counterparties fled the country, leaving deals unfinished. And that has alarmed top regulators who are now worried about hidden financial risks. Bloomberg sources said at the heart of the crisis is a trading network facilitated by Xu Mahua, who's a metals dealer nicknamed the Hat. The dealer could not pay after the collapse in prices of the precious metal, and he fled China. Separately, from hedge funds to homemakers, the leverage-loving Chinese traders behind gold's record rally are now nursing big losses. This comes after one of the fastest and deepest market reversals in years. For many, the investments in gold before the losses lasted only a week. Friday's sharp drop wiped out gains and triggered forced liquidation, with some losing as much as 84% of their investment. But still, the gold bust and losses are not restricted to those in China. Traders worldwide have seen a significant wipeout in their bets as well.